Understanding Crane Maintenance, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, crane maintenance. Whether you're interested in engineering, construction, or just expanding your English vocabulary, this video will provide you with valuable insights. So, let's dive into the world of cranes and learn something new together. Before we delve into maintenance, it's crucial to understand what a crane is. A crane is a large, powerful machine used for lifting and moving heavy objects. They are a common sight at construction sites, in shipyards, and in industrial settings. Cranes come in various types, like tower cranes, mobile cranes, and floating cranes, each serving a different purpose. Now, let's talk about maintenance. Maintenance refers to the process of keeping something in good condition by checking, repairing, and cleaning it regularly. It's not just about fixing something when it's broken, it's also about preventing problems before they occur. Regular maintenance is essential for machinery like cranes to ensure safety and efficiency. Combining these two concepts, crane maintenance involves the regular inspection, servicing, and repair of cranes. This process is crucial for several reasons. 1. Safety. Ensuring that cranes are safe to operate to protect workers and the public. 2. Longevity. Prolonging the life of the crane by preventing wear and tear. 3. Compliance. Meeting legal and regulatory standards for crane operations. Crane maintenance includes tasks like lubricating moving parts, checking for rust or damage, and testing the crane's operational capabilities. Understanding crane maintenance is important for several reasons. It's a key term in industries like construction and shipping. It highlights the importance of regular care and safety in machinery use. For English learners, it's a great example of how combining two simple words creates a specific technical term. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning of crane maintenance. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to mastering English. Remember, learning a language opens doors to understanding different fields and cultures. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.